So I've been on YouTube for almost 5 years, and this is the first year it frustrates me not to get a case with the device. What's up, everybody? This is Eric the Tech Preacher. So I got the Galaxy S20 FE, and I've been ordering cases for this device and for my other devices, right? The Z Fold. And for some strange reason, you can't get cases for these phones. And I'm wondering why. Well, my Spigen case for my Galaxy S20 FE just came in. I ordered this almost 3 weeks ago, and now it came in for my device. It is frustrating because usually if you order a phone, you usually order a phone with a case with the device. So your cases usually comes in first before the device. But now in 2020, we getting phones coming in before the cases. And now the cases start to come in, and a lot of y'all guys have been frustrated about getting your Galaxy Z Folds and you still unable to get cases for it. Well, the same thing is happening with the Galaxy S20 FE. Cases is a very rare form for these devices. Now, I've ordered a bunch of cases for this device, and now they're starting to come in. But this is my Spigen case, so let's go there and unpackage it and see what it's all about. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So it's kind of frustrating with Samsung with their newer flagships in 2020. Getting cases, I never had no issues in the past ordering the case before the device comes in, and the case is available before my device comes in. And bam, as soon as your device come in, you got full protection cases ready for your phones. But unfortunately, it's not happening in 2020. The Z Fold came out, and I mean, god-awful cases that came out, and it took forever for these cases to come out. And not only that, but this is a $2,000 phone. It's nobody go rock this phone raw dog. So cases should have been available for this device as before it came out, but unfortunately, as of me recording this video, people still can't get cases for the Galaxy Z Fold 2. So let's go to unpackage it and see what it's all about. This is going to be the hybrid case from Spigen. One of the cases that I was really anticipating on. And look, I love clear cases. I always order a lot of clear cases because I like to show up the beauty of the booty. And here it is. This is the Spigen case. And it's nothing about the case. The case is a hard plastic, but it's clear. But I just want to make this video and talk about how Galaxy devices, the newer flagship cases are hard to find and hard to get. But I want to show you this anyway, so y'all guys can see. If you want to order this, I will leave all product links all down in the description below if you want to get it. But let's go ahead and put this case on. And look, I love clear cases. This is all I get for my devices is clear case, because I do not like to cover up the beauty of the device. So here it is. This is the clear case, hard shell case for the Galaxy S20 FE. It's really simple. Slide it on and boom, there it is. So look how beautiful this case is. Beautiful. So this case here gives you good gripability. Even though it's a plastic bag, it doesn't matter. Still give you good protection. On the side here, you got your button layout, and it's nice and clicky, no issues with that. You do have a raised lip there for the camera, so you won't damage the camera. And at the bottom, you do have your cutouts for your ports. Now, you do have a lip here, so you can get full protection as far as with the display. So you don't have no issues there. And then you got nice corners there, thick, so you don't have no problems there. Yeah, this is it. Not too long of a video here. I just wanted to kind of, express my frustration about cases that is hard to find in 2020 when it comes down to Samsung cases. But finally, I got my clear case from Spigen for my Galaxy S20 FE. There it goes. You need that protection, guys. One thing about it, I don't mind rocking a device raw dog, but you definitely need that protection. And here it is, full protection for your device. About time. Thank you. Spigen for coming through. So this is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Just want to make this quick video how frustrated I am about cases in 2020 for Samsung. Man, case manufacturers, get on your job. Make sure the cases are available for us to buy them. Man, this is frustrating. This is Eric. See you guys on the next video. Peace.